Happy birthday to you.
Pag may nga, nagigising naman siya, oh.
Ayaw niya binababasa.
Oh! Open it.
Okay, that's not yours, huh?
Kiss me, kiss me. No, kiss. Kanina. Ay, bakit ano? Gusto na kasi ito. Open it, open it.
Pag napinis, ang Pasko everything.
It's a cake. Is it, oh, golden pati. Ano ha?
Told you.
A 15.
Did you not read it?
So, ano senses is tita nito?
Ha?
Ano yung senses mo? Ano na naglag-break niya ng granay?
Wow! Tapos mabili. Oh my God! Huwag mo sirain yung... Oh my God! Huwag mo sirain yung bag. Tapos mabili pa ako ng bag.
Oo nga, no.
Wow!
Ang
I
ganda.
have two hands! The left and the right! Hold them up high! So clean and right! Clap them! Bag, bag! 1, 2, 3!
Oh, it's not finished yet. Open the bag.
Ay! Meron pa? Kaya pala, sabi niya. So, open it. Meron pa? What's inside? Oh my God! There's another one!
Teka
Oh my
lang, teka
God!
lang.
Is it Pira? Pira?
You wish.
Is it Pira? Pira? Sabi nito eh, Pira, Pira. Open it.
Magaling mo hindi ng pera yan.
Open it, Mom.
Alam mo yung pera, eh.
Give Wawa a cake.
Rides.
Oh my God! Oh, it's Wawa! Wow! Ay, sinira mo na eh.
Parang
Wow!
yung nanay mo, no? Tinatago yung mga plastic. Yung papel.
Wow!
Hoarder.
Summer talaga.
Baliktad.
Baliktad pa.
Cause you're going holiday.
Haba.
Oh, sexy.
Oh, so
Saan punta kayo holiday? Pilipinas?
holiday.
Pilipinas o Amerika?
September, I'm
okay.
going.
Ma, what's your
Tama,
message
tama,
to the
tama.
people who greeted you?
Thank you. I was surprised. Thank you very much for those messages. Wonderful. I'm a diva! Sabi ni Angela eh. Diva daw ako. Thank you.